Heavy rainfall and severe thunderstorms are on the way for the eastern parts of Australia today, namely for Victoria and parts of New South Wales. Taking a look at our satellite imagery, we can see an extensive cloud band stretching from the southeast of the country back through New South Wales, inland Queensland and towards the Northern Territory. Our focus for rainfall is really going to be on the southeast, however, where we've already seen very high falls in the overnight period, over 150 millimetres through central Victoria. Now, this has already triggered flash flooding and other impacts, with heavy rainfall expected to continue today. It's triggered a severe weather warning for heavy to locally intense rainfall through eastern parts of Victoria. If you or someone you know is living in or travelling through these areas, share this video with them so they're aware of the risk of the rain and flash flooding today. In addition to our severe weather warning, rainfall that we've seen in the past 24 hours and that we're expecting to come in the next few days has triggered flood warnings and watches across Victoria. We have two major flood warnings in place for the Campaspe River near Bendigo and for the Goulburn River near Seymour. A number of other catchments are in minor to moderate flooding. Large parts of Victoria and parts of southern New South Wales are also covered by these flood watch areas indicated in purple. That tells us that over the coming days we may see further river rises and further flood warnings issued. This includes areas around the Melbourne Basin, where some minor flooding has already been observed. Over the coming days, that rainfall is going to gradually shift eastwards. We are expecting to see the trough that's driving the rain gradually moving towards the east coast, which means central and eastern Victoria and southeast New South Wales will see that heavy rainfall today. As we go into the later part of today and into tomorrow, the trough is going to continue moving away from the Australian coast, directing that moisture up the New South Wales east coast. That means that through Tuesday, the likes of Sydney, the Illawarra and Newcastle may see some moderate to locally heavy falls, although they're likely to be tied to any thunderstorm activity that moves through. During the later part of the day, that rain will contract to the north into northeast New South Wales and southeast Queensland areas, which are still in cleanup and recovery mode from previous rain events. Through the Tuesday to Thursday period, rainfall in these areas is likely to be much lower than anything we saw across that period, with the highest falls tied to thunderstorms and likely to be hit and miss. The thunderstorm forecast for today does show broad areas of severe storms possible, marked in yellow, extending from Victoria all the way through inland New South Wales, Queensland and into the Northern Territory. In those areas we could see severe storms bringing heavy rainfall and flash flooding, as well as damaging winds and large hail. If we do see those storms tending severe, we will be issuing severe thunderstorm warnings on top of that severe weather warning that's already in place. As we go into Tuesday, the risk of severe storms is going to push towards the east coast, covering areas including Sydney and inland from the Gold Coast. Severe storms again will bring rainfall as the most likely phenomenon, but large hail and damaging winds will be possible through Tuesday as well. This situation continues to evolve and we will be issuing regular updates to our forecasts and warnings throughout the next few days. You can find all of those details via the Bureau's website or the BOM weather app. Stay safe and we'll catch you next time.